two clips I just opened up this part of the video with, which is the start of the video. Is at a park, and I'll show it to you in a second. Today's Friday the 13th. This is September the 13th. I guess I should tell you that, shouldn't I? The time is 10:59 in the morning, and I am at Founders Park. If hopefully you can read that. Try to block the sun with my hand here. But this is the opening of Founders Park. Here's a sculpture exhibition that it has in here. So if you want to read that, you can. Pause that. We're going to walk through here, and this is going to be my video. I'll show you today. Downtown Johnson City, Tennessee is right there. I will be making a video of this town. It's got an awful lot of murals and different things. So we'll start off with some steps. And you can see, look at this tree right here. Look at the red in that. And there's another one down there I took a picture of a minute ago. But look at that tree against that blue sky with those white clouds. Isn't that beautiful? So we're going to head on down here and check this thing out. Maybe I'm wrong. This is outside the park. But see that building right there? That looks like an old train depot to me. That says White Duck Taco Shop. And you see a white duck over there on it. That's outside of the park. You see a train track right there between us and it. We're going to be going through here. Some dark bushes through there. So I'll show you what's in this park. We're going to discover this thing together. But before I go ahead and shut this off, I might as well keep it going because we got a first bridge here. So you can see all these purple flowers. We got water running. Yeah, we got nice water running, I gotta say. Here, check it out. Wow, more sounds of nature, huh? Let's check out the other side here. I mean, look at this. A lot of spider webs here. But it goes under a big old concrete thing. See the brick rock over there? And there's more of it on this side. I'll show it to you through here. Alright, we're going to keep going this way and see what we can see. Alright, there's a low-lying bench right there. Here's what I wanted to show you. Check this out. Looks like a couple of fish to me fighting for alpha. It says Todd frame from Asheville, North Carolina, and it's made out of steel. So there you go. These two fish are fighting for whoever is the alpha. Pretty cool little scene and cool little background too. Alright, let's keep going and see what we can find. Here's another part of the creek. Look at this waterfall and listen to this thing. Other than that loud motorcycle, it's going back there behind me somewhere. Let's listen for a few more seconds. Alright. Hope you like that part too. Entitled Solution from Adam Walls of Tryon, North Carolina, painted steel. So look at this. Sell us an airplane. Got a seat there. That's the solution. I got a feeling for a kid's imagination. Alright. Keep on going. So they got really nice light posts here. And look at the color in those leaves on that tree there. So those are turning nicely. Very nice building over there. Community, I think it says. I think it might be a church building, but you know, I like it for the architecture of the building it is. And not for the false religion they're throwing in there. Okay, so here's part of the creek, but boy, this is dried up. Here, check this out. Total rocks. So the water's flowing on the other side of that over there, going on down. And you can see this right here. So I know these parks were built for flood control for this area. So obviously they get big rains. It's going to pour through here, go down, and this is times where you're probably going to see a lot of hard running water here when that happens, I would imagine. Check out these red berries. Aren't those pretty? Alright, now we have a statue right here before I shut this off. So I want to bring this guy to you. Looks like he's made out of wood. He's got a hat on. Pretty cool guy, would you say? He stopped and turned to the light. Charlie Brower, Willis, Virginia Wood. Okay, so there you go. Pretty cool, I like it. Okay, before I get on the other side of this and blind you, I want to show you, this is metal butterflies gleaming in the sun. When I walk around, I'll show you this sign. It's just called Metamorphosis from Mary Rudin of Seymour, Tennessee, and it is too made of steel. So I'm sure you can see some of that. You see some of this town's got some cool buildings. I gotta tell you, they've impressed me so far. Okay, I needed to show you that from the top down. Look at that. Now we'll come around here and look at this guy. Strange looking critter, is he not? Absolutely strange looking. Look at his big tail back there. Look at all them legs down there at the bottom. Caterpillarsaurus, Michael Helbing of Limestone, Tennessee, stainless steel. So there you go. That's what he represents. I hope you like him. At the bottom of this one it says Genesis. Right there. You see this thing? So there's that. A lot of holes in it. And this here is backwards. So we're going to go to the front of it. And that's what I figured it said, Founders Park. So here's the other end of it. I want you to see that. See that sculpture, and you see it's where I've been walking. I've been coming up here on this right side. You see this big open field, and then of course we get to the trees down there in that second half. So this just goes right around here. And we're going to head back, and I'll show you the sculptures and stuff on that side. Stick with me, and hopefully you've been enjoying this. But you know what, looks like that might go down a little bit that way too first. So let's cross the street and see what we got. Now we have the hyperbolic wave from Bob Doster of Lancaster, South Carolina. It's made of stainless steel, and there it is. So that's his interpretation of a hyperbolic wave. Just kind of going crazy, isn't it? Alright, so let's go take a look at whatever is down that way before we go back the other way. Okay, I wanted to show you all these nice little flowers here. Pretty beautiful. We've got some yellow ones over through there, all these orange ones. You see that's got some purple on it, more of the yellow and more of the orange, and it continues on down here. So this is called the Monarch Garden. So they're obviously putting plants in here that are going to attract the monarchs. So that is a nice thing to do. And then you see it gets down here into some bigger things. There are more of the orange ones. Here, just to show you, this is kind of marshy here, cattails and all. And let's see. Yeah, I don't think this really goes anywhere, to be honest with you. Yeah, see, it just goes up sidewalk all the way up through there. There's housing and stuff down that way. So let's go back across the street and finish up the Founders Park. Okay. Okay, this one's called Column A, Column B, Column U, Column Me from Sean Moore, Portage, Ohio. Marble, granite, steel, and stainless. I admit I don't understand these, but you know, there it is. I hope you can figure it out while I see what's going on with my phone. We're back down here by the creek. I wanted to show you these red leaves. Check this out. Those are a beautiful red. And look at the rest of the tree that it's in. It's all green, but that limb is all red. Pretty cool. Alright, so you can see this one's called Pipe Dream, James Westerman of Morrisville, Vermont, made out of steel. Let me take you around and show you. Okay, here's the view I wanted to show you of it. the sun's behind us, so it's nice and bright. And then even that nice brick building over there is pretty cool too. So that's your pipe dream right there. Let's keep on going. All right, here's our next bridge to go across. Just wanted to show that to you. Show you the creek over here. Running pretty nicely down through there. In fact, that's that waterfall I shot straight down there. And right back behind us is this scene. There's a dog in the water back there. Gotta get you lower. There, let's walk off the bridge here. See what else we got down this way. Nice curvy sidewalks and everything. And a nice little park, I gotta tell you. Alright, this sculpture here is called Through Someone Else's Eyes. So, take a look at that and see if you can see it. I mean, it's obviously a head and a neck with no eyes, no mouth, no nose, no anything. Right here is the plate for it. Alicia Gold, Memphis, Tennessee. She made it out of steel. So it's just on loan right now. Alright. Keep on going. Here, show you that through there. Look at all those rocks. Big old boulders and everything. Pretty cool. And here's a little overlook area. Get you a better view of here. There you go. What you think of that? And you can see there's the bridge we crossed right up there. The water runs right on down and creates our waterfall down there that we shot earlier. Alright, we'll go through here, and I think it's just about finished this up, but I'll tell you what, before I let you go, I see there's another sculpture right here. So I might as well go ahead and get it. And I wanted to show you that tree. Let's go ahead and do that from here. Look at the red on that tree. Still enough green on it. Then look at the two green trees that flank it on either side. That's a pretty nice little scene right there. Anyway, here's the sculpture. Something to the girl. I got a feeling. That pink there. Delilah 2. Joni Youngkins Herzog, Athens, Georgia. Stainless steel. Chrome trim, airsoft BB gun pellets, and silicone. Or silicone, however you want to say it. What do you think? A little on the strange side for me personally. But, you know, I'll let you judge it. And you can tell me what you think of it. Now, one final shot to shut off the video here. Close it out. You see the waterfall down there. You see the water right down here rushing away. It's right over there. And that's the first bridge that I showed you right there. And the sky is still beautiful. And then just to show you, right down here is where we came in at. If you see all these stairs up here, that's where we started this walk. So this will do it for Founders Park. I hope you enjoyed this one. Close it out with that building over there. And so, you know, I don't ask this too much, but you know, thumb it up, comment, subscribe, share, blah blah blah. Do all that stuff. And I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourself now.